welcome back to RIA'S World of Ideas. Today's video is actually a collaboration video that is hosted by me and Drea from Clueless Mama D. Now, me and Drea have done collaborations in the past before, and she's reached out to me recently saying that we should do another one together. And she actually came up with the idea for the concept of this collab, and actually it's a challenge for this collab. And she took the things that she likes to do on her channel and the things that I like to do on my channel and kind of merged them together. So on her channel, she loves to save money like I do, and she loves to do things that have to do with thrifting, you know, thrifting with clothes, thrifting with DIYs and decor. So she does a lot of $5 thrifting challenges on her channel, and she knows I love doing Dollar Tree DIYs on my channel. So she kind of put the two things together to create this collab challenge. So this challenge is actually a $5 Dollar Tree DIY challenge, and it was an open collab call to all our subscribers on both our channels and also to our followers on Instagram as well. So we sent out the collab call at the beginning of July, and we got quite a few people that were interested in doing this challenge with us. So there will be a playlist in the description box below. So when you're done watching my video, definitely check out the playlist, because we have so many other YouTubers that are going to share with you their $5 Dollar Tree DIY challenge item. And we told them that they can basically make anything that they wanted to make. It could be a furniture piece, it could be a decor piece, it could be anything they wanted to create, but it had to be $5 or less, and they had to get their things from the dollar store, where it's like Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, or Dollar General, because not everybody has a Dollar Tree, but they have kind of like a Dollarama or something in their area. So we wanted to make it available for everybody. So we just said specifically you had to get something at the dollar stores, but it can't be no more than $5 or less, and that's what the challenge is. So definitely don't forget that after you've seen my video, to go check the playlist down below so you can check out all the other videos and get ideas from them as well. And if you are new to my channel and coming to my channel from any of the other YouTubers, welcome. I am Ria, and on my channel I love to share all my ideas that I find helpful in my life and home, and hopefully you'll find them helpful in your life and home as well. So if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscriber button before you leave this video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. So with all that being said, let's just jump into my $5 Dollar Tree DIY challenge. So the thing that I actually created two pieces. It's the same thing, and I basically created a home decor piece. I'm so into home decor right now and decorating my house, so I wanted to create some type of home decor item, but I wanted it to be something that you guys can use all year round, and I wanted it to be things that you can find at Dollar Tree, because sometimes with Dollar Tree it's a hit or miss with certain things that you can buy. And the products that I use in this DIY, I always see them at my Dollar Tree. So it's the same type of DIY, but the way that I'm going to share with you guys, I'm going to share with you guys two versions, and both of them you can make them for $5, just for $5 a period. It's like exactly $5 for the supplies to make both of them. Now that's not including the glue or the paint, because I really don't include that in my challenges, because if you are a DIY or a crafter, you always have certain glue on hand, and you always have your favorite paint on hand. But if you do want to include the glue and the paint, you can still make one of these decor pieces and come under $5. But I made both of mine for $5, exactly $5 each, to create both of these home decor items. So let's just jump right into the video so I can share with you guys the two home decor items that I created for $5. So for this home decor Dollar Tree DIY, I'm going to be using these two placemats that I found at Dollar Tree, and these two are my two favorite ones that I found, but they have so many different designs at Dollar Tree right now on placemats. And the glue I'm going to be using for this project is going to be that adhesive glue that I use in a lot of my projects that you guys have seen. And I'm also going to be using the wood glue that I found at Dollar Tree a while back. I haven't seen it lately, but it still should be there in the auto section. I'm also going to be using these Jenga block pieces for the border of this sign. I've used this in so many of my projects. I love to use this for my wood projects. And then I'm going to be using this tag board, and this one tag board is going to be able to make two signs, because I'm able to fit both the placemats on this one tag board, and that's how I was able to come in at $5 with these two signs. Now before I start gluing any of the Jenga block pieces together, I always like to measure out my pieces on the length and width that I need before I start gluing anything down. That way there's no mistakes and I'm not wasting any Jenga block pieces. And then what I like to do after that is I like to use this L-shaped ruler that you can find at Dollar Tree to be able to keep the Jenga block pieces straight as I'm gluing them. One thing that I love about this wood glue that I use, especially with the Jenga block pieces, is it doesn't take long for whatever project you're making to dry. And I was able to make 2 borders for this picture frame decor with two Jenga block piece sets. So for one of them, I'm going to paint it just plain white, and then the other border, I'm going to paint it a dark gray. Once the paint had dried, now it's time to glue everything together. And at first I was going to use that adhesive glue that I love to use all the time in my Dollar Tree DIY projects, but then I thought about it. This is tag board, and really you don't need no specialty glue for tag board. So I'm just using these regular Dollar Tree glues that I got 3 for a pack in the craft section. They actually work pretty well when you do them with like paper, cardboard, and tag board type items. So I didn't want to waste my adhesive glue on something on tag board, so I just decided to use these, and they worked out fine. So I'm just gluing down the placemat first to the tag board, and then I will glue the border on top of that. Once the glue has completely dried and everything is stuck together, I took a box cutter that I also found at Dollar Tree a while back, and I cut off the excess tag board on the sides of this sign. So that is what I created for my $5 Dollar Tree DIY challenge. And as you can see, I made both those things for just $5. The tag board was $1, each placemat was $1, and then the Jenga block pieces were $1 each. So I made both those signs for $5. Now, if you want to hang them on the wall, you can add things to the back. I would just add what I have done before when I hang things on the wall when I'm making some Dollar Tree items or any type of DIY item, and I want to have a type of hanger on the back. All I do is I get a paper clip and I hot glue it to the back and bring the paper clip out a little bit, and then you can hang it, you can use that to hang it on any nail, and it makes it perfectly. But where I put it at in my home, which I have one above my refrigerator and the other one in my living room, I just lean it against the furniture pieces. So that's why I didn't put anything on the back. But you can still put some stuff on the back, like I said, some hot glue with paper clips, and it still would be around $5. So you can definitely just stay within your $5 budget and create these beautiful pieces. So I hope you guys enjoyed what I shared with you guys today. Definitely check out the playlist down below and see all the other ideas that all the other YouTubers that have joined this collab, all their ideas, check them out. I'm excited to see what they came up with, because I always get inspired by other DIYers. They give me ideas to either create the exact same things that they made, or it inspires me to create something different for my home. So I love seeing different versions and different ideas that people come up with. So definitely don't just check out my video, check out the playlist below, and definitely check out the other videos that are in the collab. And also, I'm so glad that me and Drea did another collab together. We are going to be doing this quarterly, she said. So she wants to do this every 3 months. I think it's fun. We're always going to have a different challenge. And if you are watching right now, and if you are an Instagram person or you're not a YouTuber, definitely follow me on Instagram, and you can be part of our next challenge, and you can create something and then just share it on Instagram. You don't have to have a YouTube channel to be part of our challenge. You can just be on Instagram and follow along with the fun that we have and just share your item. And the more the merrier. I just love getting ideas from you guys. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.